You spend the entire day managing tours manually, wasting time on repetitive tasks, rework, and endless spreadsheets. Meanwhile, keeping track of your sales through WhatsApp, social media, and other channels has become a real headache. But what if you could have complete control over your sales, operations, and finances, all in one place? Meet Excapy, the most complete solution for tour operators that want to reach the next level. Have your own website available in multiple languages with automatic conversion to over 161 currencies. Sell through credit card, invoice, and many other payment methods, thanks to our integration with the world's leading payment gateways. You're in full control of operations, seat assignments, passenger lists, rooming lists, and many other operational reports just one click away. Complete financial management, revenues, expenses, and real profit in the palm of your hand. While your competitors are still using paper and spreadsheets, you'll be selling 24/7 to the entire world. Meet Excapy. Contact us now, and let's transform your tour operator business together.